The Punjab Legislative Assembly or the Punjab Vidhan Sabha is the unicameral legislature of the state of Punjab in India. At present, it consists of 117 members, directly elected from 117 single-seat constituencies. The tenure of the Legislative Assembly is 5 years unless dissolved sooner. The current Speaker of the Assembly is Rana K. Singh. The meeting place of the Legislative Assembly since 6 March 1961 is the Vidhan Bhavan in Chandigarh. An executive council was formed under the Indian Councils Act, 1861. It was only under the Government of India Act 1919 that a legislative council was set up in Punjab. Later, under the Government of India Act 1935, the Punjab Legislative Assembly was constituted with a membership of 175. It was summoned for the first time on 1 April 1937. In 1947, Punjab province was partitioned into West Punjab and East Punjab, and the East Punjab Legislative Assembly was formed, the forerunner of the current assembly consisting of 79 members. On 15 July 1948, 8 princely states of East Punjab grouped together to form a single state, Patiala, and East Punjab States Union. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.